Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the referral code in Exness after registration in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to come here on exness.com. Now, over here, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, on Exness, referrals or partner codes are normally attached during the account creation process. After the registration process, you cannot manually enter a new code from the account settings. So that option is usually locked once the personal area is created. In some of the cases, the newly created accounts without trading activity may still be eligible for the partner assignment. So you can just simply open this particular area, and you can also click on your profile icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here on the home screen itself, you are going to see the option of the adding the partner codes. So if you are able to see that banner or that option, it will be well and good. But if you are not able to see that, the only option that you have here is contacting to the live support team. So for that, you can either click on this message icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, then click on the option of start a new chat, or you can click on this help icon on the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you can simply mail them. So on the contact in this particular message box, you need to provide your registered email address, your trading account number, and the referral and the partner code that you want to add. Now, some support agents may forward a partner reassignment request depending on the account status and the regional policy. So you need to simply fill out that particular form, and you will be able to add the new partner code very easily. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.